Alright, so it's been a little while for our last video. We're out in the shop today. Broke a CV axle here on the old work get up daily driver truck. Figured we'd take a few minutes to kind of show you what's all been done to this beast. She's a little bit of a beast. So we got a 74 Corvette block, 4-bolt main, 350 small block in this thing. Been bored 30 over. It's got good forged pistons, steel crank. It's got some stock truck rods in it. Nothing special. There's stock rods. It's been resized to hang the new pistons and stuff on. We'll give you a little quick glance at it here. This is our that's the axle that we broke that we're replacing. But it's got fast EFI fuel injection on it. It's got a Holley Stealth Ram intake. It's got fast, easy transmission controller in it. So it's got the 4L60. It's got a PTC nitrous converter in it. It's got a Howard's cam. It's got World Products Stage 2 cast iron heads. It's just been touched on a little bit. That's really about it for the most part of it. It's got MSD ignition and stuff on it. She's pretty dirty underneath the hood there at the end of the year. Just a few months ago, we took her down inside some mud holes just to have some fun with it at the end of the year while everything was all wet. And that's probably what caused the CV axle to do what it did, go kapoo, you know. But let's take a glance at what we got going on underneath the hood here. So here she is. Really nothing spectacular. You know, just a small block. 350. Got our transmission controller mounted there. We got the EFI stuff there. All the original gauges still work in the truck, which is cool. I don't even like that thing. That thing is just dumb. But anyhow, it's got Hedman headers. Worst set of headers that anybody could ever buy for a truck or a car or whatever. They just fit terribly. I think personally they burn up spark plug wires like crazy. Like you see, those ones are normally insulated. We probably won't even be able to see the ones on this side. Oh, you can kind of see that one back there. She's double insulated. The insulation on that one's, it looks like it's coming off, but it's not. It's also double insulated because it just loves to burn spark plug wires. And that's the terrible header design. Don't mind my custom cold air intake, which is really not cold air. It sucks all the hot air off the motor, but whatever. It was what I did several years ago to get the truck up and running. Other than that, it's really nothing special. I put I put as stock of an exhaust system on here as I could because she was loud. But this is what we got going on here with the CV axle. It's a lot easier if you just cut that sway link out of your way. Then you don't have to take the spindle all apart to get that axle out of there. But we got the new one over here. It's just, regular old auto parts store junk. We're draining on the oil because I don't know if I've done an oil change to this thing in the last 2 or 3 years or what. I only drive this thing in the wintertime, go back and forth to work. She really drinks on that old fuel stuff that we got, the dinosaurs and stuff, whatever. She likes to drink up on that stuff quite a bit. So as far as driving her daily all year round, it just doesn't make sense when I got a nice newer Chevy with good air conditioning in it. Which actually, believe it or not, the air conditioning does work in this truck. It's just the condenser leaks, and I'm just too lazy to change it. So, she don't have air conditioning because it leaks out after a day or two, but it does have good hot heat. So we drive her in the winter time. It's really nothing special. You see, she's got some rust forming down there. Really nothing special. I mean, she runs good. It outruns 6-cylinder Mustangs and Camaros for a 4,500-pound truck's not bad. Come on now, 4-wheel drive. Yeah, we have fun with the 4-wheel drive, especially in the wintertime. This thing being short, it just slides everywhere. But that's about that. So we're gonna go ahead and get this axle slapped in there and get moving on to doing a couple other things to it. Bye.